If you're searching for a reliable outdoor power strip, this model stands out with its waterproof design and versatile features. Measuring 9.06 long by 4.72 wide and just 1.38 high, it's compact yet powerful enough to handle multiple devices with ease. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it's easy to install wherever you need it most. This power strip offers 6 total outlets, arranged so that even large plugs won't block each other. That spacious layout means you can plug in everything from bulky chargers to standard adapters without hassle. Plus, the 6-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, whether you're setting up on a patio, garage, or workshop. Beyond standard outlets, it includes 3 USB ports with a total output of 5 volts, 3A, allowing fast charging for phones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. Each port delivers 5 volts, 2.4A, ensuring your gadgets get the power they need without slowing down. The USB ports are protected by a rubber cover, keeping them safe from rain or splashes. Safety and durability are key here. Certified by ETL and FCC, this power strip can withstand water splashes, rain, and even sudden water flow, though it's not designed to be submerged. This makes it perfect for outdoor use, whether you're hosting a backyard party or working on a project outside. One standout feature is its compatibility with Alexa, allowing you to control your power strip with simple voice commands. This adds a layer of convenience, especially when you're busy or away from the switch. It's a smart addition that blends technology with practical outdoor needs. Customers rave about its sturdiness and value. Many use it on patios and outdoor areas, appreciating how well it holds up against weather and daily wear. The combination of waterproof protection, multiple outlets, USB charging, and smart features makes it a solid investment for anyone needing reliable outdoor power. If you want a power strip that delivers on safety, convenience, and versatility, this model is worth a look. Its thoughtful design solves common outdoor power challenges without compromising on quality or price. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your outdoor setup. With 6 outlets, 3 USB ports, and Alexa compatibility, this waterproof outdoor power strip covers all the bases. It's durable, easy to mount, and built to handle whatever your outdoor activities throw at it. Whether for work or leisure, it offers dependable power in any weather.